My Uncle Gunter used to be the editor.
And what were you, the centerfold?
I'm sorry, but I refuse to believe you have ever read a scientific journal.
Believe what you want, see if I care. Hypersexual bitch.
This is probably gonna sound like absolute dog shit, but oh well. Yeah, this is me trying to do a Rovi Passport mock. Yeah. I don't know what else to say.
How to tell her. I mean, it's as if she doesn't care about my needs just because she's a lot younger than I am.